Hello everyone, welcome to Art with Joshi and I am your mentor Shikha. Today we will create a beautiful submarine. To create that we require a paper, pencil, marker and our simple and easy to do oil pastels. So before we start I would request you all to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for all the latest updates. So let's start. To make a submarine, what we need to do is we have to create an oval shape. That's very simple. Now to start with it, what I am doing is I will create an oval shape. Oval shape is the shape of an egg, right? But I am not joining it because here I will make the back side of the submarine. Now what we will do is we will create a design and pattern inside, and we will create some circles. You can also take a circular object for this, or you can just make it freehand, and I will make it in a reducing direction. So one is big, the other one is little small. Now here what I will do is I will create the upper part of the submarine. I'm making a shape like this. Again a kind of a window inside it. Now for the bottom part what we'll do is we will again make one more oval shape and two shapes like this. I'm making a pattern inside for the fan on the back side. Now here I'm making, and the basic drawing of my submarine is done. Now again, as I always tell you, we have to create it in a composition. So what we'll do is, this is the basic where it is. Submarines are in water, so we will create the water in the background, and I'm making some waves on the top so that we can make it feel that it's inside the water, and some bubbles coming out. We can show some bubbles coming upwards. So the basic drawing of a submarine is ready. Now we will use our oil pastels to color it. You can choose any color of your choice, and I am choosing a yellow color for this. We'll make it very bright and beautiful. So I'm using a yellow oil pastel, deep yellow oil pastel, and I can also give some shades with some orange color. We'll first color the submarine. Now this is your submarine, so you can choose any color of your choice. So I will be giving a little shades from the bottom side. I'll add some orange color and we will merge it with the yellow color. Remember the merging techniques we have already learned in our previous videos. You can just go and check them out. How to do shading, mixing. Make sure the colors don't move outside your image, and do it very patiently. We have to overlap the color on the existing color, and then we have to merge it with a lighter shade. So I'm just overlapping on the yellow part. I'm coloring with a red or a maroon color. We'll take a red color for this upper part. And we'll also do some merging on it. So red, and along with red I am taking some orange color. So I've taken the red color, and then we'll take the orange color on top, and again we'll mix it and merge it. Here again I am using the red color. Now I will not merge it with an orange color. I will use a maroon color or a dark color to merge it. Now here again I am giving the same effect. You can do the colors of your choice. Whatever you feel like, you can just create it and add your own personalized effect to this. I will use the gray color for this, and we can add a pinch of black color to give the effect, and then we'll merge it. Similarly here, the gray color and a pinch of black color and then merging of it. See, I'm doing a pinch of black, very little. Now in this part I'm adding the orange color. You can change the colors accordingly. You can just choose the colors of your choice. Again, this part I'm using maroon color again. And the inside part we will do a very light blue. We will create the bubbles with the similar blue color. And we'll color the same lightest blue color which we have on the upper part, that is the sky. So this is our sky and this is the water. So for the water we'll give the shading. We'll not do just one color, we'll give the shades. So I'll take the different colors of blue whichever are available with us, and we will be doing the gradation in the blue color. So this is the darker blue which I am taking, and this is the lighter blue I am taking. So I have to basically take the different shades of blue color. I don't have to take the same blue shades, I have to take the different shades. I'm just coloring this blue color, and from the bottom I'll take this darker blue and we'll merge it. Now I'll remove this tape and show you how it is looking. So the coloring is done. Do it patiently. Don't be in a hurry to finish it. Take your time. So our simple submarine is ready. I hope you will enjoy creating it. Do share your feedback in the comment box. And of course, share it on our Insta and Facebook page. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and share it with your family and friends. Bye everyone. Take care. Stay happy and stay safe.